Welcome to New Bike Hub 09. Check out this cool Suzuki Gixxer 250 to 2026 model right here. Hanging out in our awesome showroom. Hang out on a rotating point, so you can check out its design from all sorts of angles. At first glance, that Gixxer 250 is seriously striking. With its bold, sporty stance, the lines are sharp and flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, giving this bike a confident, powerful look. The finish on that paint job really shines in those room lights, making each curve look sleek and cutting edge. The front part of the Gixxer 250 hits you with a powerful vibe. That headlight design really pairs up with its tough, sporty spirit. The front fender not only makes the ride look better, but also helps with aerodynamics. Standing on the side, the sculpted fuel tank looks kinda strong and perfectly balanced. The seats are shaped to make long rides super comfy while still giving you those sporty riding views. Every panel looks premium and made with a lot of care, showing how much care Suzuki takes in designing this bike. The alloy wheels do a great job of adding that dynamic, fancy touch. Those wide tires give way to some great road grip and stability, so you can feel comfortable on different roads. The braking system is just right, smooth and controlled, allowing you to stop safely. At the core of this Gixxer 250 is an engine that turns up the smoothness, making it easy to handle in city traffic and cool on the open road. Packed with power, performance, and comfort, this motorcycle is the real deal for riders who want style, confidence, and everything to do with riding. The Suzuki Gixxer 250 to 2026 model is perfect for everyday commutes, weekend trips, and long drives. Made to be comfortable, controlled, and thrilling, this bike is perfect for riders who want the best of everything. And that's a quick look at the Suzuki Gixxer 250. If you loved the video, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning into New Bike Hub, and see you in the next one.